along with us. Our next team includes Dr. J.K. Reddy versus Dr. Revati. Dr. J.K. Reddy is going to be talking on cataract surgery alone, DSEC can follow if necessary, versus combined phaco with DSEC by Dr. Revati. Dr. J.K. Reddy is the director of Shankara Eye Care Solutions at Coimbatore, heading the cataract, cornea, and refractive department, a great surgeon of versatile skill sets. And Dr. Revati is the chief of cornea and refractive surgeries at Arvind Eye Care Systems, Coimbatore, a leading figure with significant contributions in many clinical trials and many publications to our attributes. Look forward to both of you. On to you, Dr. J.K. Reddy.
Yeah, good afternoon. And I thank Dr. Chitra Ramamurthy for giving me this opportunity and the RC team. And coming to my case, this is a 60 years old patient, corneal thick 600 microns and endothelial cell count 1000 cells per millimeter square millimeter, and cataract grade 2. What to do? This is very simple, straightforward. I don't see any problem. This is just a phaco with IOL and topical. And shall I warn the patient? That's the question. You will land up in problem. There is no need to warn. This is a fairly assured case of getting good results. So we just inform the patient. We don't warn him that you don't get vision or you land up in trouble. We just inform them that your cornea is a bit weak, and in future you may need, maybe after 4 or 5 years down the line, you may need a transplant. Not a transplant exactly. What is the points in favorable of my decision? One thing is it's a clear cornea. They said it's a clear cornea, and cells are quite good. 1000 cells is a beautiful. Most of the times when we operate in post keratoplastic cases, the cell count will be somewhere around 600, 700. We get excellent results. So that's based on that. 1000 cells are very good. And grade 2 cataract, another very favorable one. This is not a very difficult one to get out without endothelial cell damage. And added to that, we have in armamentarium very good viscoelastics now available, freely available from Indian companies and from across the world. And we have excellent irrigating solutions with a proven protection for the cornea, which will protect the cornea. The maximum endothelial cell damage will be around 7%, at the most 5 to 6%, and 7% will knock off around 70 cells, and it comes 900. That's good enough for another 10 years. And added to that, we have excellent machines available right now. Looking at 10 years back, where the literature, all published data is there. And these machines helps us in reducing further the endothelial cell count to barely around 3% to 2%. And what is the against? The against is the old dictum given in the book. 600 microns means decompensated cornea. It's not. It's a myth. It's a myth written in the books. A 600 microns cornea, you should go with a endothelial graft given. It's so many cases of LASIK we are doing with a very good endothelial cell count, 600 microns cornea. 600 micron cornea, just a variation outside the Gaussian standard 550 microns. That's all. It's nothing to do with the decompensated cornea. Unless you have a prior corneal thickness of 500, now becoming 600, then you can think decompensated. Otherwise, a first reading 600 microns is no way to say it's a decompensated cornea. And endothelial cell count saying 1000 cells are very low, that's not a valid argument. The cells, we have excellent machines, specular microscopes, we have excellent machines which are very good in image, getting a image and analysis. But what they miss is, you look at the picture with your eye, you can easily differentiate within 5 seconds which is good, which is bad. But the same thing for doing these missions impossible. They are very good analysis, very good imaging machines, but they don't have intelligence. They cannot diagnose a abnormal cornea from the normal cornea. They give a lot of parameters which you need to study. So it's like a auto analysis is like an autopilot for a car. If you believe, you will end up, definitely you'll end up in an accident. So what I say is just look at the image. For example, this particular cornea, it shows 2000 counts, but you see so much damaged area. So don't believe by auto analysis from specular microscope on counts and volumes and the numbers. Just have a look yourself personally at the image and come to a decision. If science proves something is wrong, then it's the time to change it. So with our experience, we are seeing very good results. There is no point even to think about a preventive thing by doing a DSEC or something like that. We have to just straight away go and we have to change what is given in the literature, as this is not a safe technique. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. J.K. Reddy. That was a convincing debate.